Hi, this is Chuck Hughes. I'd like to talk to you today about my option trading program. I know it's been a very difficult year for most traders. Most markets are essentially unchanged over the last 10 months, and there's been no clear trend, making it difficult to profit from either long or short positions. My option trading program, however, has done very well, and I'm displaying the current open trade results for my Inner Circle Advisory option portfolio. And we currently have over $206,000 in profits, an average return of over 111%, and 95% of the trades are profitable. So despite the difficult market conditions, my option strategy program has been doing very well. And let's take a look at the three-step process I use to select options. Okay, let's look at my three-step option selection process. I've been trading options for more than 25 years, and I found option trading to be the most versatile and most profitable of all trading strategies. Now the challenge with trading options is there's a lot of options to choose from. Today, if you're going to trade a BIDU option, for example, you have over 750 options for BIDU just for that one stock. So this three-step option selection process narrows down that list of available options to the options with the best profit potential. So the first step in our option selection process is to determine the trend, the price trend, and I use my trend following systems to determine the price trend. If we're in a price uptrend, we buy call options, and if we're in a price downtrend, we buy put options. And once we determine the price trend, the next step is to use historical price data to select an option time length. And this allows us to select a time length with high accuracy. And the third and last step in our process is we want to purchase in-the-money options with low time value. Now, with so many options to choose from, in my experience, I found that selecting an option time length and strike price is just as important as selecting the stock itself. And I like to use historical price data to help select the time length for an option. And in this table I'm showing you here for Apple stock, I know the percentage of times that Apple stock increased in price for various option cycles. So this helps me select an option cycle and time length that has a high probability of success. Okay, once we select the time length of an option, the next step is to select the strike price. Now this is a very important step in the option selection process. Option premium consists of time value and intrinsic value. Now at option expiration, options lose all of their time value. Time value is a wasting asset, so we want to trade in the money options that have more intrinsic value and less time value. And of course, if you purchase an option and it's out of the money at option expiration, you incur 100% loss as the option expires worthless. So we obviously want to avoid this situation and trade in the money options that allow us to minimize the time value and maximize the intrinsic value. So in the money options give us a much higher probability of success than trading out of the money options. Now, as a general rule of thumb, I like to limit the time value of an option to less than 1% of the stock price per month. If the time value of an option is 1% of the stock price, then the stock only has to increase 1% in order for the trade to break even. So if you limit the time value to 1% of the stock price per month, you're going to have a much higher probability that the trade will break even and make a profit. So in the money options allow us to minimize the time value and maximize intrinsic value. So the option portfolio has been performing very well so far this year, and in addition to the option portfolio, my Inner Circle Advisory service has 4 other trading portfolios, and I'm displaying the current open trade results for the 5 trading portfolios. And you can see that we currently have over $619,000 in open trade profits. We have 103 winning trades, 3 losing trades, which equates to 97% accuracy, and we have an average return of over 62%. So the Inner Circle Advisory is performing very well this year despite the difficult market conditions. And if you'd like more information on the Inner Circle Advisory, please log on to chuckhughesic.com. And lastly, I'd like to show you some actual profit results. The brokerage statements I'll be displaying show over $1 million in actual profits with no losing trades, demonstrating the ability of the 3-step option selection process to produce high accuracy option trading.